So welcome back to my channel, guys. We are going to get right into this video. I am making a tile bench, a DIY tile bench. So these tiles are black ceramic tiles that I had purchased from Facebook Marketplace. I got around 11 sheets, so they're 12 by 12 size, and I got around 11 sheets for, I think it was $60. It was around $50 or $60. I think I paid on the higher end and it was $60, which is okay, it's not a big deal. But you can definitely find like better steals for tiles on Facebook Marketplace if you continuously look. Then I got all my tools and materials from the hardware store. So luckily Home Depot has this kit where you can get like a tile starter kit. It comes with like a bucket, some gloves, a sponge, a trowel, a float. Kind of came with everything for like $25, which is amazing. So first things first, we are going to use the tile adhesive on the bench. So we're just going to generously apply the tile adhesive to the top of the bench. I saw a lot of people using the jagged edges of the trowel to kind of create like a pattern. I'm not sure if this helps the tiles adhere better, but I didn't do that, and I think I pretty much just forgot to do that because I was really in the motion while I was doing this bench. But maybe you should do it, not sure. I would definitely watch some other videos too, just to kind of see what they did, because I did see a lot of people doing that in their videos. So luckily this is a pretty like linear and square bench, so it didn't require a lot of tile cutting. It was kind of like not perfectly sized, but I maybe had to cut off like one row or one square off of like the sheet, which is pretty good. I got lucky because I watched some videos and some people had to like full out cut tiles, and we're not that advanced yet. I did not want to mess that up. Mind you, I did do some tile cutting in this video, but it wasn't that serious, you know? It wasn't too crazy of tile cutting. But I am pretty proud of myself for cutting tiles with a whole tile cutter, like the water, the saw, and all of that. I did all of that, which is so crazy, but it's, you know, it's a learning experience. So these tiles had I guess an adhesive backing. A lot of tiles have like a mesh backing, and I think I prefer the mesh backing. I think it makes the tiles a lot more like pliable. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's not as stiff. Like I didn't have to cut off, like I wouldn't have to cut off the edges of like a mesh backing. And look at my dog. Look at this damn dog. He is so nosy. He always has to come and scope out the scene. Like, boy, bye. And again, I'm just trimming off some of that like adhesive backing off the tiles just because it just pokes out and just kind of gets in the way, and you'll kind of see it later. Like if I show a good like up close, you'll kind of see it poking out after I use the grout, and it's just like, ugh, why? So the bottom part, you'll see I left a little bit of space. So that is where a whole square could not fit. And this is where I had to actually cut the tiles. So my tile cutting was honestly super shoddy. I definitely needed practice doing that because I had no idea what I was doing and I was low-key scared. Something about saws, I was like, oh my god, I'm not trying to cut my finger, but we made it work. So I'm using sanded grout, which is just like a smoother textured grout. I'm using it in a dark black / charcoal color. So you're gonna add water to the mixture and really just, you wanna get it almost like the consistency of toothpaste. And once you get it to that consistency, as you can see here, it's like kind of toothpastey where it's not falling off of it, but if you flick it, you know, it comes off. Then you're going to want to apply the grout. So first you are going to want to let your bench kind of chill and kind of like marinate with the towel adhesive first before you add the grout. So I think I waited about like 2 hours before I applied the grout. So yeah, I'm going hard on the grout. I'm going hard, you know, I'm trying to get this done as quick as possible. This project took me honestly like all day, and yeah, that's what we don't want to do. So I've finished applying the grout, and now I'm going to take the sponge and do some washing. So we're just going to wipe off the excess grout. Now, black grout. Ha! Black grout. Insane how long it took me to take off that black grout, but it's okay because the end product is beautiful. We are all done now. Look how wonderful this bench looks. It is so simple, so minimal. It's really a nice addition to any room or any space if you just kind of, you know, want to just add some extra texture to a room. It's really just perfect. I love it. I think it's great. Would I do it again? Absolutely. And I suggest you guys try it. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it, and bye.